Shenzhen Minbao Lighting and Technology Company Limited is an ISO 9001-2015 managed company located in Shenzhen, China. We're specialized in R&D, manufacturing, and marketing of LED indoor lamps, including LED downlight, LED panel, LED ceiling light, LED track light, LED batten, and LED tubes. We keep on offering 8 to 10 new models to customers monthly, and with more than 50 R&D personnels. Occupied advanced R&D testing facility. More than 95% LED light products are own design. Each new product would have EMC test, multiplex temperature test, withstand voltage test, lighting distribution test, and optics integrating sphere, etc. We've got over 100 patents for design, development, and technology up to now. OEM and ODM service is available. We're willing to share or bear the mold fee. More than 570 employees. About 17,000 square meters factory area with 38 production lines. Make sure we have the production capacity of 600,000 pieces per month. All the orders will be 100% aging tested to make sure our customer receive 99% good lights. Our products are approved by CE, ERP, SAA, TUV, CB, UL, DLC, Energy Star, and PSC. We have established long-term cooperation with many big companies from all over the world. For example, USA, Australia, Germany, France, and Mexico. The long-term cooperation is based on our high quality, satisfying after-sale service, and on-time delivery. We expect to establish a win-win cooperation with your estimated company